Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to group elements in Framer. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to layers and just choose what you want to group. So for example, I want to group these two buttons. Of course, you can come and select it from here as well, right? So let's say select this first button and then I want to get the second one. So I'll hold Control and click on the second button as well. As you can see, these two are selected and you can easily go ahead and move both of them at once. Now, to group them, all you do is right click, okay? Right click when they're selected, click on Create Component, and you can name this anything. So let's do Group 1 Buttons, and then click on Create. And there you go. These are the two buttons in this group, so I can come back to Home. And now when I try to move them, okay, so let's wait for this to load up. So when I try moving them, I don't even have to click on both of them. I just come here. I can easily move them because they're now grouped. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.